Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to learn our poem, The Road Not Taken. It is written by Robert Frost. And this poem emphasizes on the importance of taking right decisions at the crucial moment in our life. Before that, we want to think about Robert Frost. He was an American poet. He was known for his realistic depictions of rural life. And this poem, also a common poem and showing ordinary experiences. Robert Frost, famous poet, and almost all works become popular. Some important works are Stepping Stones, On a Snowy Evening, and also Mending Wall. These are the etc. And here, The Road Not Taken, Robert Frost, who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. Before going into the poem, we want to think about our choices. You all have different choices in your life. Or think about after plus 2, different opportunities, different streams before you. But at a time, you are allowed to take only one. Maybe in some cases, no problem. But you should opt only one at a time. Say, in the case of the poem The Road Not Taken, Robert Frost shows some common ordinary experiences, true, or opportunities, or what type of opportunities we want to take. Emphasis on the importance of taking right decisions in the crucial moments in our life. In our life, our career. So, as choices that shape our future life. Sure, choices shapes our life. So, when we are making these choices, want to be correct. So, and here two roads symbolizes opportunities in our life. So, through this poem, The Road, he is giving us some ordinary experiences. Two roads, just I'll read out for you. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. I'm sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down as far as could see, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So first stanza, as I already told you, two roads symbolize opportunities in our life. And here, the poet, when he was walking through a yellow wood here, forest, he came to a spot where the road divided into two different directions. And he is telling, I'm sorry I could not travel both. Because the thing is that actually he was fascinated by both the roads, both the opportunity. But at a time he can travel only through one. And he wanted to travel both, but it's not possible at all. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. And Both of them, and he is also telling he wanted to find out its end. So he was looking as far as he could. He stood long trying to see the roads as far as he could, and where it while standing there. He was looking how much he could see. And to where end in the bent in the undergrowth. After that, lot of bushes, so it's not possible to see. But he is trying to see as far as he could see. Then it will bend in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wander where. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So we can see, he know both of them are equal, and he was become very difficult to took the correct path, and he is telling took the other one of the, he is allowed to take one of the road, select only one at a time, and he is telling just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, and he is telling the one of the road he selected, and that perhaps giving better claim in better state, because it was grassy and wandered via. So here poet chose the road that was grassy and wandered via. Think about our life. Two options we are going to select, or one of the two. So what you are thinking? Think for example, teaching as well as nursing field. You are thinking that many people go or choose, many people choose nursing field, so I also. And next, another field, you are telling that some of the students only took that or select that option, so I am taking as a challenge. So I am going to take that career. Think about that. In the case of this road, actually it's not allowed to take both the roads at the same time. And he is going to select the second road, because that was grassy and wandered where. Grassy means it's complete. Just to think about that, two roads. One is grassy and one is not grassy at all, which shows that through one road many people travelled, and through another road it become grassy means it had not been worn by the feet of the travellers. It had not been worn by the feet of the travellers, which means less people travelled through that road. That's why it will become grassy, and it need wandered via. What about the second road? First road. Many people travelled through that road because it had been worn by the feet of the travellers. He is telling that he is ready to ready to accept challenge. That's why he is telling it's appear better claim, and it had not been used by the traveler or many people. But about the first road, had been travelled through many people, and so he is not ready to accept that. He is ready to take the second road, which less people travelled, that is grassy and wandered via. Though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Besides this difference, the road had been worn by the feet of the travellers, and both are mourning equally late. In leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubt if I should ever come back. So students, you can keep in your mind, actually poet is telling, next morning you can see both the roads equally lay. Both the roads covered with the leaves. Next morning, equally leaves. And which means no step had trodden black. Nobody travelled through that road. Yet knowing how way leads on to way. He know how certain decisions one made in the life paved the way for another. Think about that. Some of the decisions that we are taking in our life give way for another decision, some other decisions. In some of the situation, we are thinking about a decision. At that time, those decisions will lead us to another way, another decisions. So, he kept the first for another day and he is ready to choose the second one, that was grassy and that need wandered way. Okay, and he know the one way leads to another. And I doubted if I should ever come back. Students, you have to think about that. Actually, he is thinking, first of all, he is telling, okay, I can, no problem. But after that, he was thinking, whether I should come back and took that decision again, career again, choice again. It's not possible, it's impossible. In some situation, it's maybe. So think about our life, opportunities. Actually, we are decided to follow that. At the end, you are thinking, whether I can come back and took the other opportunity, other course. Some situation is not possible at all. Mostly it's not possible. Okay, we are completing a course and then after you are thinking, I don't want that course. I am ready to take another one, 3 years or 4 years. Maybe in some cases it may happen, but normally it's not. So, he has been thinking, after whether I doubted if I should ever come back. He doubted as he would really come back and ready to take the next, able to come back and to use the first for another day, use the first road for some other day. Maybe it's not possible. Then we can think, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So students, one thing you have to keep in your mind, he thought that after ages and ages, he is looking back and saying with sigh or with sadness, was telling the road that he chose made great difference in his life. As in the case of poet, he is telling this with a sigh, which means actually he is not at all satisfied with the opportunity or in his current life. He was not satisfied. That's why he was looking back and saying, if I chose this first road, maybe that will make some other difference in my life. But as we can see that negative effect as well as positive effect we will. In some of your life, you took the correct way, and ages and ages you are thinking, I took that second road, so that made great difference in my life. But in some of the situation, negative effect. At that time you are thinking, if I choose that career, I will become like that. So that sometimes that will give me more salary, like that we are thinking. So same situation happened. Anyway, whatever he took in his life, that has made all the differences in his life. So as in the case of poet, actually poet is telling this with a sigh, which shows that his current life, that is not at all much satisfied. He was not at all become happy with the opportunity that he took at that time. So hence, and we can see that now he thinks of that. He wonders what would happen if he had taken that road. He's wondering. That's why last tour I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. He realized that his this created a great difference in his life. Positively we can say that's correct, that he took the road the correct way. And we can see that he took the less traveled road because he seems to be ready to accept more challenges in his life. So he wanted to accept these challenges and explore it. Accept these challenges and explore it. Then, so we can see that he suggested that we have to make a choice. And the choice determines our future life. Very important point. Choice determines our future life. Whatever we are taking, we want to take the correct decision. That will shape our life or our future. But whatever choice is made, we cannot change it. We have to accept that. We have to accept it. Whatever it is, don't change. We cannot change it. We have to accept the choice that we are taking. So students, we have to, actually Robert Frost is giving some advices. You can think about your career, but took a right decision. As I already told you, this poem emphasizes on the importance of taking right decision at the crucial moments in our life. So think about that. Go through the points, go through the advices that he was given, and to try to create your life more better, or try to take correct decisions in your life, and that will make great difference in your future life. So go through the poem and try to find the important points and write in your notebook. Anyway, that much only for today. Thank you.